Welcome back, everyone. I've noticed that some of my friends are a little confused on how to do the building model with whole numbers. So that's what this video is about today, using the building model that we've already learned, but dividing by a whole number. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly, just with an example. So let's say it's 1/2 divided by 3. What you want to do is you want to take this whole number right here and turn it into an improper fraction. Since the 3 is really saying 3 wholes, we can make this improper fraction as 3/1. 3 out of 1 whole. So I'm going to rewrite my expression to be 1/2 divided by 3/1. I just rewrote the problem so we would have lots of room to do this. So I like to draw a line to separate the two buildings that I'm going to do. So my first building, as you know, is going to be for 1/2. That's going to represent this side of the expression. Since I have 3 wholes on the other side, 3 out of 1, 3/1, I need to make 3 buildings on the other side to represent the 3 wholes. Now I'm going to continue the method like I normally do. So I'm going to split each building into having 2 floors. So I'm just going to draw one line in the middle of the buildings. So each building has 2 floors. My second denominator is 1, and that means I have 1 room on every floor of each building. So since we just split the buildings into floors, you can see I just have 1 room on that floor right there, so we don't even have to do anything. I've grabbed a highlighter and I'm just going to highlight my floors and rooms like I did before in the other strategy. So I'm going to highlight 1 floor here, and here, since it's 3, I need to highlight just the whole. I have to highlight all of the buildings. It's 3 holes. We're highlighting the 3 whole buildings. Now I make my fraction. So remember, the first building tells us what's going to be in our numerator. So since there's 1 room colored in or highlighted in our first building, our numerator is 1. And our second set of buildings tells us what to do in our denominator. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rooms highlighted. So our denominator is going to be 6. Which gives us a quotient of 1/6. We can check this by doing the keep, change, flip strategy. We rewrite the fractions to be within other fractions. So 1/2 divided by 3/1. And in order to get our denominator set to 1, we have to multiply it by the reciprocal. So we multiply it by 1/3. Since we've multiplied the bottom by 1/3, we have to multiply the top by 1/3 also. Now we rewrite our fraction. We get 1/2 times 1/3 over 1. And since anything divided by 1 is itself, we know that we can just focus on the numerator. 1/2 times 1/3. We cannot simplify, so we just need to multiply straight across. 1 times 1 equals 1, and 2 times 3 equals 6. 1/6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video showed you how to do the building strategy with whole numbers.